magical Mrs. Hutchins and Monster Crunch. How are you today? Are you well? You are? Fantastic. Well, Monster Crunch and I thought that we might explore another letter sound together today. But do you know what? I still think that he's being a rather sleepy little monster. So shall we sing to him and wake him up to get him ready for the task at hand? You ready? Monster Crunch, how are you today? Monster Crunch, will you come and play? If I tickle your tummy just like this, I wonder what you'll do. Monster Crunch, won't you come and play? I wonder what our letter sound could be today. Shall we dive straight in and have a little look? Now remember, all of the things inside Monster Crunch's tummy start with our letter sound of the day. So shall we have a look and see? Oh, something soft today. Monster Crunch, what is this? Oh my goodness me. Any ideas what this could be? It's a vest. Monster Crunch wanted to show you his vest. Now he wears this when the weather gets a little bit chilly. Well, thank you for that. That's lovely. What else have you got in here today? Oh, how on earth did you get this in here? Monster Crunch, what on earth have you eaten? Oh my word, can you see what this is? Can you see what he's eaten? It holds flowers. What do we call it? A vase. Well done you. Monster Crunch has eaten a vase as well as a vest. Any ideas on that letter sound? There might be something else hiding. Oh, I thought it might have been in his tummy, but it's actually inside the vase. I wonder if we can get it out. Give it a bit of a wriggle and a jiggle. Oh. Right, I see. Now it's not a car and it's not a truck or a lorry. It's a van. Well done, you're doing really well today. Oh, there's one more thing inside his tummy. Oh, oh, that's rather sweet. Look at this. Can you see? It's a tiny little orange van. Well, thanks very much, Monster Crunch. That was a very useful collection of objects that you've eaten today. So, what's our letter sound? Have you guessed it? You have. Well done. It is. You are quite right. The letter we're looking at today is the letter V that makes the V sound. The letter V that makes the V sound. So I'm going to put that just on the board behind us, okay? Just here, so we can use it to help us to write the letter V in a minute. Right, so today we are looking at the letter V that makes the V sound. Now I've got another couple of things for you to look at here. This helps to keep the house clean. It's also called a hoover, and you like to do the hoovering, and you do the hoovering with this, the vacuum cleaner. So vacuum cleaner starts with the letter V, V for vacuum cleaner. Remind me, what's our letter sound again today? Can you help me? V, the letter V that makes the V sound. Well done. Right, this is an instrument. It's got strings and you play it with a bow and you tuck it just under your chin. Any ideas? Violin. Superb. Violin starts with the letter V. Well done. Now, if we wanted to go and write the letter V, how would we do it? So here's the letter V here. Well, shall I let you into a little secret? If we turn this card over, you will see on the back that there is a bird, a very large bird called a vulture. Now, if we're going to write the letter V, we have to go down a wing and up a wing. Down a wing and up a wing. Shall we have a go on the board behind me? Yeah, I think we should too. Right, if you've got a pen or a pencil or a crayon or even your finger, you can have a go too. So remember, we're going to go down a wing and up a wing. Are you ready to have a go? Let's see if we can do it together and we'll say the rhyme. You ready? Down a wing, up a wing. How did we get on? Oh, very good. Well done you. Let's do another one. Ready to say the rhyme together? Down a wing, up a wing. How are we getting on? I think they're looking pretty good. Should we do one more, and this time we have to say the rhyme inside our heads and not out loud? You ready? Let's have a go together. How did you get on? Yeah? Did you do all right? Brilliant! We've just written 3 letter V's. And did you remember the rhyme? Down a wing and up a wing. You did? Well done you. Oh. Well, thank you very much for joining me today. Today Monster Crunch and I have been learning to write the letter V, and we've had lots of objects that start with the letter V. I can't believe that he managed to eat a vase today. He's very cheeky. Oh, what's that, Monster Crunch? You've not, have you? You've brought us one of your stuffed toys. You want to show us, and it starts with the letter V? What could it be? Let's have a little look and see. Oh, he's very cute. Look, we've got a vulture. Monster Crunch has bought his vulture stuffed teddy to show us. Oh, well, thanks for that. Well, from Monster Crunch, Vulture, and we will see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.